Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. It's been a long time since I've done a tutorial, and it's exactly what I'm doing. So this is a tutorial on how to make an outro. It's pretty cool actually. So first we need to get the music. We obviously don't need the meow. Go to the upload sound. I already have one set. Go. Now, first we need to create when green flag clicked, hide, and then we need to get receive message 1. Let's create a new message called outro. When I receive outro, show, and now I'm gonna need my Sprite, or at least my OC. First of all, to do this, so this is my OC. It's pretty nice OC. I made it recently. Now let's copy this thing, delete this. I only needed it for one thing. Let's delete this costume and delete this. Paste. Okay. I'm making a similar outro to my current outro. Now, when people finish watching my video, they're gonna think something about it. Now, I want to not make them, but I want them to heart and star and like my project. So we're gonna draw a heart and star. It's actually pretty simple. Now you can actually make a very, very simple heart and star. First you have to make a little triangle and then just make it squared. Oh yeah, to make your line straighter you can use shift. Just hold the shift key while you draw your thing. Okay, and boom. There we go. Now, it's not a really good looking heart yet. Now, to make it look better, we can just use this little thing over here. Click this points and click curve. Curve all these points. And boom, we just need to fix this thing over here. There. This thing is a little too big, so let's just do this. And boom. Now let's paint it red, our heart red. Bam. Woohoo. So now we got a heart. Look kind of ugly, but you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe I should make this pointed. Yep, make it pointed. Okay, now let's make our star. Just a regular another regular star. I'm going to draw my stars like that. And there we go. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. It's kind of an interesting looking star, but you know, it'll work. Okay, now that's our star. Okay, now it's time for the code. Now, when I receive outro, I already added some code in my backpack. The script. This is for the star, heart, and my face. At least my OC face. Show, do this, and forever do this. Now look. I need to click this. I need to click this outro thing since it's not connected to the green flag. Now, this is what it does. Simple. Now, see the music? I'm going to add the music sound to this. I receive outro, forever, clean blocks. Okay, and let's click it again. That's my music. Whew. Now, so this is the beginning of our how to make an outro part 1. Part 2, I'm going to show you how to make a backdrop. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.